Alright, so I've just completed a repair on my garage door. I've had to replace a broken spring, and now this is a good time to go back and lubricate all of my rollers and my hinges on the door because it's been a little while. And what I'm going to do it with is white lithium grease. I've decided to go with the Dupont brand. I've used them in the past and they're based right here in the USA. Now before I begin, what is lithium grease best used for? Well, it's best used for bearings and rollers and chains. Basically think of metal on metal. If you have metal on metal, white lithium grease is an excellent choice for those applications. And if you look right on the can, it actually specifically says for garage doors, which is exactly what I need it for. It's good for extreme temperatures down to 25 below zero Fahrenheit and all the way up to 250 degrees on the high side. One of the reasons this is excellent for my application is the water resistance aspect of it, because all the components on the garage door are exposed to rain, especially on the lower part. It's really good for marine use. If you need it for lubricating anything on a boat, this is definitely going to be your go-to. It comes with a straw, so that's going to come in very handy in my application because I need to get it in these little nooks and crannies of my garage door. And one of the reasons I like the aerosol can is because I can spray it through a straw and get it into tight spaces. It goes on wet, but it dries into a thick grease and it doesn't run off very easily. And it stays where you put it for a long time. So we got to shake it up before we start. It's kind of like a paint can. You got to hear that ball moving around in there. And make sure you got on safety glasses before you spray it. You don't want this stuff to get in your eyes, especially if you're spraying it overhead. You want to be careful if it drifts down on your face. And I'm going to go through and I'm just going to spray it where my rollers are inserted in the frame of the door. And I'm also going to hit where the roller meets the track. I always like to have a rag handy to get the excess. And make sure to hit these hinges as well. One of the main reasons to keep all this lubricated is to make it so that your garage door opener doesn't have to work as hard. And it'll make it last a long time, not to mention make the garage door itself last a long time. And being that this white lithium grease resists water, keeps all the parts from rusting. Any place that has a hinge point, I'm going to hit all those places. You can definitely tell how the grease will thicken up after just a few minutes once it starts to dry. And then I'm also going to lubricate my chain that goes on the track for the garage door motor. And just wipe off the excess. And I'm just going to raise the garage door a bit so I can get to those bottom rollers. And we're done. Okay, lubrication is all complete. Let's test it. And garage doors opening smoothly. I'm really impressed with this white lithium grease. It's really thick, it clings on. I think it's going to do exactly what it's supposed to do. So I hope this little review helps you in some small way. If you're looking for a good white lithium grease, I don't think you can go wrong. Thanks for watching.